Hey everyone, I'm Fazan and I will be presenting my project for the competition, or you can say the training we had from Google AI collaboration. And this will be my capstone project. ScholarStack is the name. And the problem is, like students, we have to create notes after every lecture we see on either YouTube or with some audio lectures or lectures from university. So what it does is it gets the whole transcription from that link or local file. Then there are two agents working on Gemini, LLM, or whatever we can set in the environment. But here I am using Gemini as it's a Google ecosystem, and I also got some help from Claude and Perplexity. But the point is, we built something useful, I think. So these are two agents working on that transcription. One agent is trying to summarize the whole content, and one agent is trying to find the key points and what kind of questions we can get from those uh, transcriptions, and create them into flashcards and a whole summary of the lecture. And then there's a third agent which will verify the hallucination, and the data is 85% or more than 85%. If it is without hallucination, it will not repeat. But if it has more than that, then the whole verification cycle will run again. And when we have the data, then we will have it in a structured folder way for each lecture video which we try to scan, and with the name and all the files separate, so the data does not get mixed up. So we don't need to build, we will just run. Okay. And in this project has been optimized a lot, and it is still improving. I will keep working on it and maybe make more enhancements in future. So yeah, this is built and we will show you the result. This is not exactly the result, yeah, but at least it's some kind of interface. Okay, let's give it some URL. Okay, so I think I already have this, but let's check if I have this, or we will need it to be processed again. Yeah, we already had it, so perfect. So we will get such kind of a summary, and these are flashcards. Some important things to remember. And I am on detection score, such kind of thing. This feature, I'm still improving sample output just for people to know like what kind of outputs we will have. But this is not the workspace. The workspace is this one. Here we will get the structures in your local system. So I have these in my local system, and I put them in git ignore, so they don't get pushed every time I make some changes in git. And these are Docker files, and these are some of the requirements for Docker. Like these variants need to be, but this is there's nothing you need to do. You need just to run it. So one more thing, important thing. So let's check the MCP server configuration. So I hope I don't see my key here, but yeah, okay, let's give it a try. So I created MCP server of my uh, agent, so that other people can use its tools in their agents. Like these are the tools: process lecture, get notes, read flashcard. But yeah, it was a nice learning. And okay, so the whole project is deployed on Git, and here is my Git, and you can see all the guidance, README file, commands to run are mentioned there, so it's not that hard to run and deploy. I also deployed this on Hugging Face. I think it was not required, but I wanted to learn how to do it. I did it. But we can do one more thing for to show up. So what this does is, none means it's by default, like if it exists, it will not process and just show you the result, and if it does not exist, it will generate and then show you. And this, whenever this is on, it will just skip the downloading audio part, but it will still recreate the study material. And this one re-downloads the transcription audio and then transcription and then converts. So let's give it a try, this one. Good. So guys, this was it, and I hope